we completed the revision of the introduction of history, okay, which is a part of your subject social science. So I hope all of you are paying attention. Now the first instruction is that what you have to do is when you come to attend the class, please keep a copy and pen or pencil in front of you and note down the important points. Very good. Excellent. Arav, very nice. Very nice. Very good. Swasti, very good. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Yami, you also. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Good. Aditya. Yes. All of you all. Now, who is this person lying down on the bed? Okay. Yes. Rita, don't lie down. Please be seated in a proper manner. Okay, very good, excellent. Vishad Jain, very nice. Now, keep a rough copy, a neat and clean rough copy to note down the important points. Okay, children. So, we have learned about the first part of social science, history. The introduction of history, we have learned that what is history and why should we study history. Now today we are going to have the introduction of the subject geography. You have this book, geography book. Okay children. And this is a part of the subject social science. The second part of the subject social science, geography. So today we are going to have the introduction of geography. Okay, children. So be ready to understand the subject well and note down the important points. So first point is we are going to start with the main points. First thing, as I told you, the name of our geography book is, there is a name, can you read? The name is, give me a thumbs up if you can read, The Earth and Habitat. What is the name of the book? The Earth and Habitat. Very good. So, the earth means the earth and the habitat means our home. That means earth is our home. Okay, children, you understood? See, this is the book. It is written, the earth means earth. Our habitat means our home. Okay, children. And now we continue. And in this book, what are we going to understand? What are we going to understand in the geography book, which is very, very important? Is the unique place of the earth in the solar system. Earth is one of the planets you know very well. You have learned in class 5 now. Number of planets are there and Earth is one of them. So in this subject, geography, we are going to learn about everything about our planet Earth. Okay, children. Why we are going to learn about our planet Earth? Because the Earth provides ideal conditions for all forms of life, including us. That is, all human beings. All of us. So, what information we will come to know through this subject? This subject will provide ideal conditions for all forms of life, including us. That is, all human beings. Another important point for this subject is that we study all about our planet Earth in this subject. Clear? Completely, we study about Earth planet, including us, including the environment, atmosphere. Clear, children? Now we have the third important point. Third important point is of this subject, that is what geography means. How did this word come? So, the word geography originates from two Greek words. The word geography originates from two Greek words. The first is geo. The first word is geo. Geo means the earth. And the second word is graph. Graph means to write. Clear, children? You understood? Give me a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Very good. Excellent. Very nice. So that means you are following very attentively. Very nice. Very good. See, geo means the earth and graph means to write. So you please note down in your geography rough copy quickly. The geography word has been originated from two Greek words. Geo means earth and graph means to write. Okay, children. So now we come to the next topic. Next topic is now the question arises. So many things I have told you. The introduction of geography I have given you. Now the question arises again. It's not completed here. The second part of introduction. The question arises, what is geography? Again, I am repeating. What is geography? Okay, children. So, what is geography? Again, note down the points. The first point is, geography is the study of places and the relationships between people and the environment. Okay, children. What I given you a brief introduction. Same thing it is, but in a little detail now. Geography is the study of places and the relationships between people and their environment. Okay, children. We can also say that geography is, now second point. Second point is, we can also say that geography gives us the information about our planets and the world we are living in. You understood? Geography gives us the information about all our planets, and also it gives us the information about the world, whole world where we are living in. Okay, children. Now the third main point is geography gives us the information about our planet and the whole world where we are living in. Now we have another concept. One more answer is there about geography. What is geography? Geography helps us. How does geography help us? Geography helps us to learn about different places, all the continents. You know, we have different continents. Am I audible? I hope all of you are able to hear me. Very good. Excellent. So, geography helps us to learn about different places in the world, all the continents, all the different countries. Keep on writing. All about the oceans, rivers, deserts, three types of landforms. So geography also helps us to understand about all mountains, different types of plateaus, different types of plains, and it is in continuation different types of forests and different types of islands, and also about the sky, and it helps us to understand about the clouds. It also helps us to understand about all different types of waterfalls and valleys and also wildlife. So there are so many things about all these things. We get the information from the subject geography. Like history gives us the information about our past, and geography gives us the information about all these things which I have mentioned just now. I will be repeating again for you, and it is not over your different waterfalls, valleys, climatic conditions, populations of the world, and also the culture of different countries, different places. You understood, children? Yes. Some of you are paying attention and some are not paying attention. Here, this person, yeah, switch on your camera, Anand. Switch on your video. Here also, Akshat Goyal, switch on your video. Adish, switch on your video, beta. See, you all are so beautiful. We are understanding all about the subject geography which is related to us. You know, all the environment around us is geography. So please pay attention, beta, and I will give you time to ask the questions. But first, you understand what is geography. This is an introduction class of geography. So you only note down the points what is geography. That is more than enough for you. It will be very helpful when we will be starting our new chapters in geography. Clear, children? So once again I am repeating, geography helps us to learn about different places, all the continents, different countries, about the oceans, about the rivers, deserts, mountains, plateaus, plains, forests, islands, sky, clouds, waterfalls, valleys, wildlife. Wildlife means all the animals, rabbits and deers and giraffes, etc. Lion, tiger. This is called a wildlife. They live in the jungles, they live in the forest. So we learn geography helps us to understand about the forest, and also we learn about the wildlife. And at the same time, different types of climates we come to know through geography, and the population of different places, and finally culture of different places. Okay, children. So you understood the first question, what is geography? Clear? Now another question arises. The second part, the third part you can say. The third part of this class is, the next question is, how does geography help us? Okay, the question arises, how does geography help us? So, okay, children, here again I am asking, did you follow the meaning? Geo means the earth. Geo means what? The earth. Give me thumbs up if you have understood the meaning of geo. Geo means earth. Very good, excellent. And graph means to write. Give me thumbs up. You understood? Followed. Graph means to write. Very good. Excellent. Chetna, excellent. Yes, so many more children are giving me thumbs up. Very good. Pavni, Divya, Hardik, Sarthak, excellent. Manvi, Nishta. Yes, very good. Aditya, Ishan, Vihan. Oh, so all well are paying attention. Very nice. Excellent. Very good. So you all have understood the concept. And Kirtan, are you paying attention? Yes, very good. You know the meaning of geo? Geo means earth. Yes, or geo means sun. What is the meaning of geo? Give me thumbs up in one of the answers. Okay. Geo means earth or sun. Which is the answer correct? First one or second one? First, yes. First answer is correct. Geo means the earth. Very good. So now we have the third part of introduction. That is, how does geography help us? So again, there are 3 points in this answer. First point is, geography helps us to understand where things are located or found. Geography helps us to understand where. Okay. Where things are located or places are located or found. Okay. Second helping is, second answer is why they are in that place. How does it help us to understand why they are in their places? Okay, children. And now the third point and the last point, you have to understand geography helps us. How did they develop and change over the time? So third thing, the geography helps us to know how, where, why, and how. So geography gives us the answer of all these 3 questions. Okay. Geography helps us, first point, where things are located or found. In second way, why they are in that place. Suppose a forest area is there. So the answer, when we learn geography subject, when we read the book, we come to know geography helps us where things are located or found. Means where is so and so forest, where is the rainforest, or where is the desert, where are the mountains. So this answer we get from the geography subject. Now second answer, why they are in that place. So the question arises, why rainforest in that particular area? That means it is over there because in that particular area we have heavy rainfalls, for example in Kerala and South India. So many nice greenery, beautiful greenery is there, forested areas there. Why? Because they have plentiful rainfall. So the geography gives us the answer for why also. That why the things are in that place. And the third answer, geography helps us to give, that is, how did they develop and change over the time. Means once upon a time, there was a small river in a particular area. After some time, there is a big river. And after some time, that particular area becomes a desert. Okay. Sometimes deserted area, sometimes plentiful rainfall, sometimes drought, where no rainfall or little rainfall. So the third answer also we get from the geography, that how did this happen? How did that develop and change over the time period? So you understood, children? Mihika, where are you, beta? Yes. What happened? All those children who are not, please do not switch off your videos. Yes, pay attention. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Yes, Mohak Gupta, paying attention. Very nice. Very good. All my beautiful children are here. Yalan, so good. Such good children I have. Such good students I have. So you understood, children? Give me a thumbs up that how does geography help us? Geography help us where things are located, and it helps us why they are in that place, and it also helps us how due to development, due to gradually or step by step, or due to change in the climatic conditions or change in the environment, how did they change over the time. Okay, children. So you understood? Now once again, I am repeating. What am I going to repeat? The first question, that is the important point of geography. Now I hope you have understood that what are we going to study in this second book? The earth, our habitat, and means the earth is our home. Understood, children? You, of course, you are at home only studying from there, but on the overall, we are living in which planet? Earth planet. Okay, give me a thumbs up. You have understood? Yes. Which planet we are living on? Earth planet. Very good. And Earth is also our home. Very nice. Very good. So here I am going to repeat that the earth, our habitat, means the earth is our home and which provides ideal conditions for all forms of life, including the human beings. And we study all about our planet Earth in the subject geography. And now the word geography has been originated from two Greek words. Geo means earth and the second word is graph, means to write. Okay, children, you understood? Now what is geography? That also I will repeat. Geography is the study of places and the relationships between people and their environment. Means between us and the environment. We interact with the environment. That is what geography tells us, that how are we doing. And geography is the science of the earth's surface, its atmosphere and its physical features. Geography gives us the information about our planet and the world where we are living. Geography helps us to learn about different places, all the continents, oceans, deserts, different countries, rivers, different landforms. These are mountains, plateaus and plains, forests, islands, sky, clouds, waterfalls, valleys, wildlife. Wildlife means, you understood, animals which are staying and living in the forest area. Climates, different types of climates. Population, what is the population of Kota? What is the population of, why it is? We have population, but why in Jammu and Kashmir population is different? Why in South India, Kerala population is different? Why in Northeast? So all these depend upon the different geographical conditions. Okay. So here geography also tells us about climate, population and culture of different places. So finally the third part is, how does geography help us? Geography helps us where things are located or found, why they are in that place, and how did they develop and change over the time. So all of you are understood, children, what is geography? Very good. Excellent. Oh, very good. Excellent. This is who? This is Vishal. Anna? Yes. Oh, very good. You have already prepared your notebooks and written the notes also. Oh, I am very happy. Excellent. Yes. You all have prepared the notes. Very nice. Very good. Same way, what I have told you in our previous class about history. What is history? And the meaning of history and why should we study history. That also you can open the video, you can go on the website and in the YouTube channel. All the recordings are there. This class is recorded. Those who are not able to attend, they can watch the video and make the notes. Prepare the notes for history also in your history rough copy. Geography notes in geography rough copy. Civics notes in civics rough copy. Okay, children. So, this is all for today. But in the next class, we will be understanding what? The second part of geography. That is, why should we study geography? Okay. What is geography we have understood today. And the second part, why should we study geography? We will study in the next class. Yes. All of you all have understood? Very nice. Give me thumbs up. Yes. Siddharth understood here this class. 6th A and B. Yes. Aditya Pratap. Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Very good. Excellent. Notes are ready. Very nice. So you know when you are writing notes, when we start the new chapters in the subject history, geography and civics, it will be very helpful for you to understand the topics. So please be seated. Now we will be meeting in the next class, but for now don't leave the session. We stay there only for the attendance. Okay, children? I am going to take the attendance. So please be there. I will let you know to leave the session.